Hi there, Tom here. I'm going to do a little procedure on my RV dump valve here to help me keep it lubricated without having to take the whole thing apart. I know you can certainly take them apart and apply some silicone lube or whatever your lube of choice is for them, but this way you don't have to take the whole thing apart. So here's how it works. I'm going to drill a hole right in my valve casing right here, down a little bit from the top to make sure I'm below the thickness of the plastic here, and a little bit off the center. So here we go. I'm going to try to recover the plastic filings too. There we go. I got most of the filings. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take some white lithium grease, spray grease, and I'm going to spray it right in there. Okay, so I've drilled my hole. Now I'm going to spray my stuff in there. I'm going to work my thing back and forth a little bit. And that's it. Smooth as can be. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the shaft out and just put a little bit of silicone on the shaft. That's it. Oh, so smooth. So now I've got an appropriate size screw for my hole. I'm going to thread the screw in there. And that's going to seal my hole. That's going to keep my slide valve from locking up on me. You can also, when you have your hose off, you can spray some lube up in from the inside and hit each side of your valve if you want to, when you have your drain hose off. So that's my RV tip for the day. I hope it helps you keep your RV dump valve lubed up properly. Talk to you later.